In this video, we explore async and await, two Python keywords that let your program keep working instead of sitting idle while it waits for something slow. Whenever your program talks to a network or reads a file, it spends most of its time just waiting. Async code lets Python step away and do something useful during that wait. Think of a wait like a barista who starts your coffee brewing and immediately turns to serve the next customer. The machine does the slow work while the barista stays productive. The keyword async def defines a coroutine. It looks just like a normal function, but Python knows it can be paused and resumed later. The await keyword pauses the coroutine right here until the slow operation finishes. While it is paused, Python is free to run any other tasks that are ready. Async.run is the entry point. It starts the event loop, the engine that schedules and switches between coroutines, and hands it your main coroutine to execute. Here gather runs two tasks at the same time. Both start, both reach their await, and Python resumes each one when it is ready, printing their results in order. A regular function runs from top to bottom without stopping. An async function can pause at any await, letting other work happen in the meantime, but it must be run inside an event loop. Remember, async def makes a pausable coroutine. Await is the pause point, and async.run keeps everything moving. Reach for async whenever your code spends time waiting on the outside world.